Hi, this is Ricardo Daniel Hernandez with Merced Window Cleaning, and today we are doing a roof cleaning project, soft wash on a residential property. So, so here's David is watering the plants where we are going to be working at. Um, this is like the west side of the house, and it has a little bit of lichen growth and moss. Sorry, it's hard to see because it's not too bad, but you can see there the lichen growing. So we make sure the plants are watered, so when we apply our soft wash solution, we can do a second rinse and they will be fine. Mackenzie is bagging the downspouts because we want to collect the solution that we get from the treatment. We first clean the gutters as well, because if we have clogged gutters, then it's very hard to collect the treatment. So you can see here the moss, the lichen, and this is going to be treated in a moment. this moss is green, after a few minutes it's going to turn white, and that one is the first one that gets killed with this treatment. Just the lichen is a little bit harder to kill. Alright, so here is the treatment on the west side of the house, and this corner that had a tree before. The shade of the tree was making all this moss and lichen grow. Very happy. And as you can see, actually here the moss already turned white, which means it's already dead, and then it's going to disappear within a few weeks, and then the lichen will follow within 6 or 12 months. And as you can see, we are collecting already the software solution, so it doesn't affect any landscape. Well, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions about our soft wash treatment for roof cleaning on tile roofs, just send us an email or call our phone number at 209-500-9441. Thank you.